Ilyas, chest number 14. Akash, chest number 66. Pankaj, chest number 67. Ganesh, chest number 87. Syed, chest number 119. And Punit, chest number 125. You six have qualified in the first two rounds. First you have cleared 1.20. Again you have cleared 1.25. Now we have kept the height for 1.30. So out of you will get 3 chances to clear this. Out of you, whoever clears in the first chance, for the next round, he will get the advantage. Whoever, if 3 of you, if you don't clear, if we want the position to decide, for that, whoever has cleared in the first chance, he will get the advantage out of this. Understood? Okay? All the best. Go and take your jumps.